So I'm here with my good friend and master craftsman, John Harris. John's making birdhouses, and we're always talking about recycling and repurposing. So here is what John's doing. This is really amazing. We got this old pile of old leftover wood. Now out here where John lives, there's lots of people that have decks. So John will just go and grab some of the scraps that are left over, kind of keep them for projects. And this time of year, it's coming into spring, we will be needing to replace some birdhouses. And this is one of John's, this is the first creation. This is why I walked down here to see him, man. I'll tell you what, any bird would be pretty proud to live in this thing. So John just took scraps of wood and some old shingles and built a pretty amazing birdhouse. But what really thrilled me is what he's doing. Now this birdhouse will just be regular old birdhouse, but one of the things that we have here in Texas, we have these western bluebirds that come in every spring, and they don't take a big birdhouse, they just take a small one, and typically it would be something like this. This is an old birdhouse that was left on a pole, and generally that's where you'll put them, is on a fence pole, maybe 4 feet off the ground. And they're really beautiful birds. So I was talking to John, he was telling me how he made it, and this is what really thrilled me. This is an old light post. It's just a 4x4 post, and it's hollow, and it used to have a light sitting on top of it. And then John decided he could take a piece of it and he could make this. So John's just cutting, he's cutting you can see the bottom of the post right there. So he's taken that old post and made this beautiful birdhouse. I guarantee you any bird around here will be very proud to live in that house. This is just really amazing. So he's just going through right now and kind of getting things ready so he can cut it, get it the way he wants it, and then he'll lay out. And you think you can get 3 birdhouses out of that, John?
Yeah. I'll put one there, and one there, and then plastic.
That's pretty precise measuring there, brother.
That's a reckless eyeball.
Well, I just wanted to do this quick little video because I was so fascinated by it, and after John's got a few of them built, we'll come back and do another one and show you the result of it.